At some point, every traveler realizes the truth. Checked luggage is not freedom. It's stress with wheels. Lost bags, extra fees, waiting at baggage claim while everyone else already left, all for clothes you didn't even wear. Carry-on only travel isn't about being minimalist or showing off online. It's about moving faster, paying less, and never standing at a carousel praying to the luggage gods. Once you master a proper carry-on system, you stop packing what-if items and start packing what actually works. Today, I'll break down a carry-on only packing system that actually works for flights. Even for longer trips. Not theory, not influencer fantasy, but real logic that frequent travelers rely on. And if you want travel advice that saves time, money, and back pain, make sure you subscribe, because this channel exists to make travel easier, not heavier. All right, let's shrink your luggage and upgrade your travel life. The system fails immediately if your bag doesn't meet airline limits. Many people own carry-ons that are technically carry-ons until a budget airline looks at them and laughs. You want a lightweight, hard-shell, or structured soft bag that fits strict cabin limits, rolls smoothly, and doesn't waste space with thick padding. Every extra kilo the bag weighs is one less kilo you can use for actual stuff. Inside space matters more than external pockets. Expandable bags are tempting, but expansion usually turns your bag into a gate-checked surprise. A clean, compact bag keeps you disciplined. And discipline is the secret to carry-on travel. Once the bag is right, the next step is what actually goes inside. And this is where most people overpack. Carry-on packing fails when you pack individual items instead of complete outfits. Random tops, random bottoms, random shoes. That's how you end up with clothes that technically fit, but never work together. The smarter approach is planning outfits that mix and match. Neutral colors, layers that work together, and items you can wear more than once without looking like you gave up. If one item only works with one other item, it's already suspicious. Frequent travelers pack fewer clothes, but smarter ones. If everything matches everything, your bag stays light, and your choices stay simple. Which is exactly what you want when you're tired and changing cities. Clothes are one thing, but shoes are where carry-on dreams usually die. Shoes are heavy, bulky, and emotionally tempting. You do not need a different pair for every mood, for carry-on only travel. The system is simple. One pair on your feet, one pair in your bag. That's it. And the pair in your bag better earn its place. Choose shoes that are lightweight, versatile, and comfortable for walking. If a pair only works for one situation, it's not carry-on worthy. And no, just-in-case shoes are not a valid category. Most people overestimate how often they'll change shoes and underestimate how much walking they'll do. Pick comfort first. Your future self will forgive you. Now that we've controlled the biggest space killers, let's talk about the sneakiest one. Toiletries are where bags silently gain weight. Full-size bottles, duplicates, and things you could easily buy anywhere. The carry-on system here is strict. Liquids only if absolutely necessary. Travel-size containers only. And solids whenever possible. Shampoo bars, soap bars, solid deodorant. They take less space and avoid liquid rules entirely. For longer trips, don't pack for the entire duration. Pack for the first few days, then restock locally. Every city sells toothpaste. This is not a survival mission. All right, your bag is lighter, but there's still one more category that quietly causes overpacking. People pack extra notebooks, printed papers, books, adapters and documents because they're afraid of being unprepared. But modern travel tech replaces most of this. One phone, one charger, one power bank, one universal adapter, that's the system. Boarding passes, bookings, maps, translations, entertainment, all digital. If something can be accessed from your phone, it doesn't need physical space. The carry-on rule is simple. If an app can do it, your bag doesn't need to. And finally, let's lock the system with the rule that keeps everything under control. Carry-on-only travel isn't just about packing, it's about maintaining control. The moment you start buying souvenirs, extra clothes, or random items, chaos begins. The one-in, one-out rule solves this. If you buy something new, something old leaves. A worn t-shirt gets retired. Toiletries get used up. Space stays balanced. This rule keeps your bag manageable from day one to day last. And prevents the dreaded, "How did my bag get heavier?" moment at the airport. That's the carry-on only packing system that actually works. Less waiting, fewer fees, no lost luggage, and a trip that feels lighter in every sense. Carry-on travel isn't about sacrifice, it's about efficiency. Once you try it properly, going back to checked luggage feels unnecessary. From iconic tourist destinations to smart travel hacks and deadly, beautiful places, this channel has it all. If this is your vibe, subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends and family. See you very soon.